Cloud. I get that this could be a good life, but it's not my life. It's not even close. You never saw me before. I loved my life. I really loved it. I can't be the kind of man who just accepts this. I know, and that's why I can't have you tied to me. I don't want you to miss all the things that someone else could give you. And selfishly, I don't want you to look at me one day and feel even the tiniest bit of regret or pity. You don't know that. I can't watch you wandering around the annex in your crazy dresses. Or see you naked and not be able to do. Oh, God, Clark, if you had any idea what I want to do to you right now. I can't live like this. Shh, listen. This, tonight, being with you is the most wonderful thing you could have ever done for me. But I need it to end here. No more pain and exhaustion and waking up every morning already wishing it was over. It's not going to get better than this. The doctors know it, and I know it. When we get back, I'm going to Switzerland. So I'm asking you, if you feel the things you say you feel, come with me.